Okay, so today's lesson, we are going to look at, first of all, visual text. You know what's visual text, right?
Yes.
You're given a stimulus with
They give us like a poster, then they ask questions about the poster.
correct. So you have to be very careful as to how you read all the important information.
Okay.
Okay. Then after that, we do a vocabulary close, like how we normally do, and then the synthesis and transformation.
Okay.
Okay. Here, just note that there is two learning points objectives here. If you look at it, let me write it. Neither, nor, and until. Okay.
How
So
about only?
say again.
How about only?
Only what?
The recognizing when to use only. There must be also only.
Okay, you want to know how to use only?
No, if the worksheet have the only also.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that in the worksheet because I got this, Suni.
It was question 11.
Okay, we can look at it when we come to 11,
Also,
okay?
both also have.
Oh, both also have?
Yes. In question 12.
Okay, we will look at it when we come to that section.
Okay.
Okay, meanwhile, let us go to the next one. Oh, we have with us, just welcome one more friend of ours, Hardik Sai Prashant. Can you hear us? Hardik, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, this is our fellow classmate, Rakshan. He's been here from the beginning. Okay, so maybe Hardik, you introduce yourself very quickly, like your full name, where you're from, what school.
My name is Hardik Sai Prashant and I'm from Sengkang Green Primary School. My hobby is art.
Art. You like drawing, watercolor or paint?
Markers.
Oh, using markers. Okay. What kind of drawings do you normally do?
Cartoons.
Say again?
Cartoons and people drawings.
Cartoon and people drawing. Okay, nice. Okay, welcome to our class. So today we have this three topics that we're going to discuss: visual text, vocabulary close, synthesis, and transformation. Okay. Okay, you are normally given this lesson beforehand, so you can do the worksheet and we can discuss. But if you haven't done it, we'll discuss it still while we are doing it today. Okay. Okay, let's look at this first. Let me expand it. Okay, what is this actually? What is this visual text?
Macritchie School of Dancing.
Yeah, but what is it about? It's what kind of genre? It's a poster, right?
Yes.
Now this poster is overnight. It's telling us about what event?
It's telling about a dialect charity concert in aid of Singapore Cancer Hospital.
Okay, this word is pronounced ballet.
Ballet.
Yeah. Another word, let me give you another word like this. Buffet. It's called
Buffet.
buffet. Buffet is like, you need to go to a restaurant, you have a lot of, you can take yourself the food.
Yes.
When you go to, yeah, that's called a buffet. So there's a lot of dishes, you just go and take yourself. Okay, so buffet, ballet. Now ballet is a type of dance, like a Western dance. Okay, so it's a charity concert in aid means what?
In need. Need.
Means
Help.
helping
Help.
by raising funds, right? Raising money. Raising funds. Collecting money for charity. And who is the recipient? Who is the recipient of the charity?
Is the Singapore Cancer Hospital.
Good. So is the Singapore Cancer Hospital is the recipient. Recipient means person who is getting it, or the organization that's getting the help. Another word is
Another
beneficiary.
benefit.
Who benefiting? Who is benefiting? That's called the beneficiary.
Okay.
So you learn these new words. That's very good. Although it seems to be big words, but when you learn one or two of these words, you can use it later on in your conversations, in your writing. Hardik, are you with me?
Yes.
So the recipient or the beneficiary is Singapore Cancer Hospital, and the event is a ballet charity concert. Who is organizing it?
The Macritchie School of Dancing.
Yes, because they are presenting it, right? So they are the organizers. And the title of the event is
Dance of
Dance of
Dance of Hope. This is the title. Okay, so once you know this, you've clarified quite a bit of things. Now, what are they doing? How they are making money?
by
Yeah.
selling tickets.
Yes, they're selling tickets. And there are two types of tickets, right? What are the two types?
Early
the
bird
early
sale.
bird sale and the
Ticket.
ticket sale.
No, the type of tickets is the standard ticket and the
Family of
Family of four.
early bird means those who buy
Those
first.
who buy first.
Just buy early, before a certain time. Why they are having early bird ticket?
So
So to encourage people to come early.
Yes, to encourage people to buy because they get a
Discount.
discount. Very good.
$5 discount.
How many dollars discount?
$5.
Not much, but still is a discount. Okay, now purchase your tickets now. That's the call, right? So tickets are available for sale at the ticket office outside Macritchie Theatre. That means you can buy the tickets. Where can you buy the tickets?
The ticket office outside the
Macritchie Theatre.
At the ticket office, right? Or
at the
website.
online, yes, on the website.
on
And if you have any questions, you can call their support staff. Now, what else are they having at the event?
Souvenir booth.
What are they selling there?
Handmade craft items.
Yes, so items, right, with S. Okay, and when are they selling that?
10 to 16 March.
Good. So then you can, this one, is there a price for the handmade craft item?
Yes.
What's the price?
How much ever you wish.
That means there's no price.
no price.
That means you
You
are
can also pay $0.
yeah, you can pay $0 or 10 cents. They just ask you for a donation.
Donation.
Okay.
You can also give them 5 cents also.
Yes, you can, but it'll be very embarrassing. Okay, because they're trying to raise funds, so you want to contribute to their fundraising. So this is called a fundraiser, fundraising event, just for your information. Okay, so you got the most information, right? When it's going to happen, etc. So let's look at the. Oops. What's the main aim of the flyer?
To inform people about the fundraising concert.
Is not to teach people about the ballet, right? There's no teaching. Is not asking them to meet the guests of honor, right?
Yes.
It's not promoting the school of dancing. It is to inform people about the fundraising concert. Yes, there is this event
So they can encourage people.
to come, to contribute. Okay, quite clear. Okay, what is this? Another. Okay. Now, based on the flyer, which one of the following statements is not true? That's important. Huh? Not true.
Okay.
Let's read it. Two performances will be held during the week-long run of the concert. Concert is organized by McRitchie School of Dancing.
I'm not sure. Is it
A.
Is this
A.
correct?
A?
Yes.
Okay, so it's correct, right? Is the concert held at McRitchie Theatre?
Yes.
Are there two ways which people can
Yes.
buy it? What are two ways?
Yes.
Is the you can
Through
buy
online and
physically and
virtually.
online.
Online in the office, right? Yeah, so it must be the third one. But let's check. Is it held daily?
Yes.
No.
Look at here. There? Daily.
I think it's correct.
But is it 2 times?
No.
Is it given the information there?
No.
No.
Only
They
one time.
never say about.
Only
They never
7.
say there'll be two. The concert is about two performance.
Yeah, but there's no 2 performance. It's only 7:30 performance. If there are 2 performance, there'll be 2 times. That means they will say 2 p.m.
And
7:30
11:30.
p.m. daily. You'll say like that. That means 2 performances. Okay?
Then it's
But
one.
anyhow, the rest of it is correct means this must be not
Wrong.
true. Even if you're not sure, you can check the others. You mean? Okay, Hardik, okay, Rakshan?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so we already did this. Now, let's look at number 3.
Besides buying the ticket for the ballet concert.
Ballet. How
Purchasing is B
purchasing items?
from the surname book.
Yes. You see, let's go through the options.
already
Besides
say-
buying the ticket.
They already say the A.
This already buying tickets, right?
Yes.
So cannot be also buying tickets again. Is there a visiting Dance of Hope website? Is that how you can raise funds?
No.
No.
It's buying ticket.
Calling to speak to Miss Alice, is that how you raise funds?
No.
No.
It's
Yeah, raising funds means
about
when
the
you
inquiry.
purchase, buying, right? And if you give 5 cents, are you raising funds?
Yes.
But little funds. Okay, so B. Okay, let's look at number 4. Tommy will purchase the family of 4 concert tickets on 16 February.
Then it's the regular ticket still. So it's
Yes,
$50.
regular ticket price, right? Look at the regular 16 February.
$80.
Past the 15. Correct?
Already past the 15.
Already past the 15.
15
So,
to
they have to pay
I
80.
think they already say about it. They say 16 February to end of